Hello, welcome to Roving Ideas. Today's video is going to be different from all other videos. Today we're going to be talking about how we can use a hand spray manually to spray our environment to kill the weeds out of it. This is a building. We're going to be using this for our site. You know, because of the heavy rainfall and all that, a lot of weeds has grown around the building. So we're going to be using this sprayer, Abil sprayer, and this force up to and some phosphate as our chemical to be carrying out this video. As you can see, our sprayer is being almost filled with water, and we're about to pour our chemical inside. You know, you can easily get yours. It's a pressure pump anyway, pressure spray. It's manual, and you can get these as low as 10 to 15,000. The chemical is a bit expensive. It's about 4,000 naira 4,000 naira for one can. That's both of them 8,000. You measure and you pour inside. You stir properly so that it mixes with the water. Then you start fixing of the hose, for the spray. It's not that complicated to understand, It's just tighten the hose to the hand spray. Shake once again to stir properly so that the chemical will be mixed. Look at the outcome of how the water and the chemical is right now. It's a bit foamy. This is it. This is the complete setup and the usage of this spray pump. As you can see, it's being used in spraying the weed. No more. It's really fun washing, No sucks. I must confess, the downside is that it's a bit heavy carrying. Like, carrying this heater at your back. It's kind of hard, but well, I hear it does the job. Spraying and killing the weed off the property. It will be a nice way of eliminating the weed out of the property. So this lever right here you pump is for the pressure. It's a pressure pump to keep the pressure coming so that the liquid will keep coming outside. So once you do that, there's a continuous flow of liquid, and it's good for your household for you to have something like this. It's not always you get a workman to do it for you. I'm not saying you should always, but when you have a time, or when it is stressful for you to accomplish, you can spray with this chemical and get the result you are looking for. This is roving ideas. This is roving ideas. If you have not subscribed to our channel, I would want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.